Hello everyone, this is Avinash Butla and I'm here to represent my topic presentation of the analyzing the UK used car market dynamics, a data-driven approach to for the price prediction and the market analysis. Uh, as part of this, the introduction, the UK, we are doing analysis on the US UK based market data. Its value is $50 billion in the 2021, with over 7 million used as cars has been sold as it was influenced by economic conditions, consumer preference, technical advancements, and environmental concerns. The main objective of this introduction is to identify the key drivers of used car prices, develop accurate prediction models, and provide insights and recommendations for buyers, sellers, industry stakeholders, and the policymakers. The research questions are what factors most significantly influencing the price of the used cars in the UK market. Our aim is to uncover the complex relationship between the vehicle attributes, seller characteristics, and the market dynamics that shape a used car. Recent studies employing the advanced machine learning techniques for the used car predictions, and these all are the references which has been used that develop the uh, prediction model. We follow the developed ML model using the linear regression, decision tree, and a random forest. About the highlighting the importance of the mileage, age, and the brand. Data view. The dataset is the UK US car market from the kaggle, and it has the count of 8,18,456 records in the October month of 2022. There are 32 attributes for the each listing, including the make, model, variant, price, badges, title, subtitle, about the seller information, the registration body, and the engine volume size. It covered the various aspects of the used cars. When compared to data cleaning, first address the data quality issues like the missing values, inconsistent data types, irrelevant or redundant features. The two-step approach for the missing values dropped the columns with 30% missing values, and the remaining values used the mode for the category and the mean for the numerical columns. Convert the year column to the numerical data type, remove the irrelevant features, the unnamed or the zero columns. Transform raw dataset into well-structured and consistent and reliable format, ensuring the insights derived from analysis were based on the high quality data. The descriptive statistics. The key numerical variables are the car price, car seller rating, year, miles, engine volume, engine size. About coming to the statistical data, the minimum the minimum is 300 euros, the maximum is 31 lakhs 99,830 euros. The mean, median, standard deviation has been populated on the screen. The car seller rating, the average is 460, 4.66. The median is 4.7, standard deviation is 0.39. Minimum is 1, then maximum is 5. The year ranges from the 32 to 2022. And here the screenshot is provided about the standard deviations and the numerical statistics data of the dataset. When combined to correlative analysis, as you can see, the correlative analysis is maximum of one between the same variables, and we can see the 0.82 between the engine volume and the engine size. About the relationship, which tells about the relationship between the variables or the fields. The engine size have the highest positive correlation. The engine volume has the moderate positive correlation. The weak correlation is between the seller and financing related variables. The modeling. What factors more significantly influence the used car price in the UK? The data sampling depends the sample of 10% for the foster training and evaluation. The featured selection. Numerical. The car seller rating, year, miles, engine volume, engine size. The categorical selection. The make, model, variant, car badge, title, transmission, and fuel type. Data pre-processing. This has been followed like the missing the values and which has been substituted with the median for the numerical and the mode for the categorical. The category encoding is one-shot encoding. The feature scaling is standardization or normalization. And the model selection, but when coming to the model selection, it has been used like linear regression, decision tree, and other. And the training and evaluation, we have split the data set into a training and test split evaluation matrix. Linear regression. When compared to the basic concept of linear regression is statistical model, that model refers to the relationship between the input features and the target variable. Linear. There is a linear relation between the input features and the target variable. The observations are independent of each other. The variance of the relation is constant across the all levels of the input feature. The objective. Minimize the sum of the square residentials to find the best fitting the line. Limitations assumes linearity sensitive to outliers may not capture complex non-relation relationship. Uh, Here you can see about the model results for the linear regression. The predicted versus the true value, residential or the predicted values. The highest hard scale value is zero point 0.9, which equals 91% of variance in the car prices. There are few large positive or negative residentials may struggle with exceptional cases. And decision tree model. Decision tree are the non-parametric supervised learning model that use their tree-like structure to make predictions based on the input features. This model has the nodes, branches, and the leaves. The nodes, the points where the tree splits based on the condition of the input feature. The branch, the connection between the nodes represent the outcome of the conditions. Splitting at measures to use to determine the best split at the each node, such as Gini impurity, entropy, or the information gain. The limitations prone to overfitting, sensitive to small variations in the data, and may create complex trees that are difficult to interpret. These are the results of the decision tree. No linear, they capture complex relation interactions among the features, lower performance compared to the linear regressions. The R square value is 0.72. The model comparison. Linear regression with the decision tree. The performance for linear regressions the better when compared to the R square value, MAE, MSE, and RMSE. Decision tree are more prone to overfitting when compared to linear regressions. About when coming to the plots, the scatter and the residential plots, the predictions align closely with actual prices, fewer outliers, and more even distribution of residential. Residential, more dispersed predictions, the patterns, and the potential bias. When coming to recommendations based on the analysis of the model is the use the linear regression as the primary model for the price detection due to its strong performance and interpretability. In conclusion, investigated the key factor influencing the used car prices in the UK market using the data-driven approach. Analyzed a comprehensive data set from the large UK used car website. Conducted the data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, correlation analysis, and predictive modelings. Insights contribute to deeper understanding of the UK used car market dynamics. And this has been the recommendations which has been provided based on the analysis of the data set. Thank you.